expense. What should we put here?
Anything, just any like office accessories or whatever.
Okay, what was the first one? So debit ledger account. There is a different amount. Is it going to take it? I don't think so.
No, your amount will be the same, but ledger
Yeah.
could be the different.
Okay. Description. Can I check one more time what I put here? I put cash asset. Okay. How do you close this and get back?
Just select on the form on the right side. You can see the form, right? Some of the portion of the form, just select there. It will be gone. Not here. Yeah.
It's gone.
Yep.
But cash in hand, why cash in hand? I chose this one. So, okay. Yeah, it's gone. Then that was, and this.
Select the office
My-
accessories. Office accessories.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is expense, office accessories.
Yeah.
Okay. That makes sense. So I want to write a description just for my understanding and for training. Would you please guide me? What should be the language
Yeah,
here?
like you can put here like bought and bought what it calls a computer for the office.
Yeah. Okay. What a laptop. Does it make sense? Yes. So we put journal and cash office.
Yeah,
accessories.
everything is fine. Then just save it.
And it shows here journal number 17.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so now you're good. Now you can create the user story.
Okay. Okay, here as an account manager, I should be able to create a journal budget so that I can calculate the payment amount which my company will pay to the other recipients. This makes sense. This is also good. Acceptance criteria will be changed. Home page and log into the home page, hover over the icon mentioned the top, and then click on the limited lessons, and then I see the voucher. Then I click on the voucher button. The voucher should appear and can select the journal option. Then I select the, oh, here that was kind of different. Here we have, did we write? And I also the journal, but I can see we didn't write that we have to select the date. Did we?
No, yeah, we select the journal option. That's fine.
Yeah.
Then and can select the bank. That would be the different. Then remove the after this all the bullet points.
Okay, but my question is when we select the voucher type as journal, then the next box is the check box is select date. Do we have to write that?
No. It's fine.
Okay.
It's fine. I don't need to.
So I'm going to edit from here.
Yeah, just select and remove the rest of the bullet points after this line.
Okay. Let me just. Then we can say, we can, and I can see this, select the journal option from that. And no, what could be the next thing? Then we see the credit ledger accounts. And I select the credit ledger accounts, select ledger accounts, right?
And no, and I can select the date first on their form. We can select the date first, right?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you. When you
Yeah.
see this from here, like
Mhm.
I see the voucher, right? Then I click on the add voucher button. The voucher should
Mhm.
appear and I can select the journal option from there. When you select the
Mhm.
journal option, then the next checkbox is select date. So can we
Yeah,
write?
then just put here, yeah, and I can select the date. Yeah, just continue like that.
Yeah.
And I can select the date.
And we have credit ledger accounts. That is the next
Yeah,
one.
and I
Select the
can
ledger
select
account.
the, yeah, I can select the ledger from the credit ledger account drop down.
Yeah. Then I can select the
No, you can
credit
put that. Then
ledger.
I can select the ledger. I can
I can
select the
select
ledger.
the,
Yeah.
I can select the ledger accounts, right?
Ledger. No,
One
yeah,
is
just
credit ledger account and the other is debit ledger account.
yeah, I got it. So you can just write here and I can select the ledger from the credit ledger accounts drop down.
Okay.
Then it will
Then
be
I
more.
can select the ledger from, yes. Then I can select the ledger from the credit account drop down.
Yeah.
Uh, and again, we have now,
Then input the amount. Remember, after
yes,
selecting the ledger, then you can input the amount into there.
yes.
So, and I can input the amount.
And I can input, I can input the amount and
Yeah.
then you have the same procedure for, then I can select the ledger from the debit account
Yeah,
drop down.
just copy this and then just change the debit instead of the credit. That's it.
And I can input the same thing. And I can input the amount. And can we also write that we can write
And I can input the description based on
and
the
I can
transaction.
input the this okay.
Yeah.
I can input the description. Yes, this makes sense.
And
Yeah.
I click on the save button
Oh, yes.
and click on the save button.
Uh, And